A motocross company is now stepping up to help flood victims in Humphreys County and will rebuild the racetrack at Loretta Lynn's ranch.
News 2's Haley Wilgus is here live on more on Operation Ranch Rebuild. Haley.
Erica, this is an effort of MX Sports and its nonprofit organization Road to Recovery. MX Sports says it has rallied the motocross community and they have raised $350,000 through their Racers for Waverly fundraising initiative with the Road to Recovery Foundation. They will bring in more than 60 people to help bring the ranch back to life, but all of the money raised will go toward relief organizations, families, and small businesses in Waverly.
It's really important to our racing community that this place maintains and exists the way it has for 40 years. But more importantly, it's the devastation that this community had. And even, 7, 8 months out, and I returned back down into the community of Waverly and how raw it still is. It's just devastating.
Work is already underway at Loretta Lynn's ranch, including rebuilding the motocross track used for the annual Monster Energy AMA Amateur Motocross National Championship, which is the world's single largest motocross event. Now, local volunteers and those in the motocross community are encouraged to chip in and help. Anyone who does help will receive free camping at the ranch.